Don't fight me. Just keep listening and meditate on what I say. I will keep on revealing the hidden truth about our land. The Dead Sea that you know, aka the Sea of Salt, is found in KwaZulu Natal, in Bergville. There's a dam called Woodstock Dam. That Woodstock Dam is the Dead Sea as described in the biblical scriptures. I will share shortly why I say so, besides the spiritual revelation that I received. Okay, let me start off with Rockdale. That is on the right hand side of Woodstock Dam, somewhere in the middle. If you go to Google, you'll just type that Rockdale, the meaning in Dutch. Rock means smoke, Dale means valley. Then if you go and search Smoke Valley Bible to get the biblical reference, that is Genesis 19:28, where Abraham sees smoke rising from Sodom and Gomorrah. Sodom and Gomorrah is located near the Dead Sea. From this Woodstock Dam, here we've got Bethany. If you just Google Bethany in the Bible, it's the home of Mary, Martha, and Lazarus as a place of refuge for Jesus. This again happened near the Dead Sea. Okay, now going down the Woodstock Dam, there is Hoffenthal. If you Google the meaning of Hoffenthal, that means Valley of Hope. And Valley of Hope, if you were to check the biblical reference, that is Hosea 2:15. God promises to transform the valley of trouble into a gateway or door of hope. That links to an area close to Jericho, not far from the Dead Sea. But you can read that on your own time. So now from Woodstock, let's go up to the left. Langkloof. This is the area. So if you go to Google and type Langkloof, Dutch meaning, you get long raven. And if you go to Google again and type long raven Bible, this is the biblical reference. And it says God told Elijah to hide there, drink from the brook, and eat the food provided by ravens, blah, 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 blah. And that is in an area called Samaria. From Woodstock, if you go up, there is this Wegbreek Paradise. If you go to Google and type Wegbreek, Wegbreek means getaway paradise, which is the place of refuge. While in Sodom and Gomorrah, Lot was asked by the angels to escape, and it says here, Genesis 19:22, escape there quickly, for I can do nothing till you arrive there. Therefore the name of the city was Zoar. Zoar means, if you just checked in Google, it's the place of refuge.